So all this which we are learning right now as per National Education Policy, what we are trying to do is कि हम जो pedagogy of play है, जो National Education Policy हमें बोल रही है कि फाउंडेशनल ईयर्स में हमें प्ले को ही अपनी सेंट्रल पेडागोजी बनाना है, वे ऑफ टीचिंग बनाना है। और हमारे जो 6 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ प्ले जिनके बारे में हमने बात करी है, उसमें से एक द मोस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग एलिमेंट इज स्टोरी, म्यूजिक, मूवमेंट एंड राइम्स एंड रिदम, राइट? So we'll continue from there, everyone. Allow me to share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Okay. So these were the 6 aspects, and with the Chetna ma'am, we had started talking about the most important element, which was storytelling. Can you see it here? And you
Yes.
finished, and I saw that you were dramatizing, you were अंडरस्टैंडिंग द स्ट्रैटेजीज। आप स्ट्रैटेजीज सीख रहे थे कि हम मॉड्यूलेशन कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम कैसे स्टोरीज को और इंगेजिंग बना सकते हैं, हम कैसे स्टोरीज को एक कॉन्सेप्ट से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? वी लर्न एवरीथिंग अबाउट स्टोरीज। सो कंटिन्यूइंग विद दैट, we will now come to the next part, which is music, art and craft. And today we will talk about music and movement, right? And rhymes and rhythm. So are you able to see my screen, teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want all of you to quickly read what is written on this poster mindfully to yourself. Silently read कीजिए यहाँ पर इस पोस्टर में क्या क्या लिखा है, and then I would like to think, pair and share. Okay? Take 1 minute, carefully read it. Read all 6 of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. So, what is this poster about? ये पोस्टर किस चीज के बारे में है?
Rhymes and rhythm.
Action rhymes.
Storytelling. Action rhyme.
Action rhymes.
Okay. So this, what is the title? Rhythm and rhyme time, right? Okay. According to you, what does the word rhyme mean?
Same sound.
Sounds familiar. Same,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similar sounds, not exactly the same, but they sound. The sound looks like mixing,
Same,
matching,
same
right?
rhythm. Yes, ma'am.
And what you saw was the types of rhymes here. And the first one in the red is which type of rhyme?
Action rhyme.
Action rhyme.
Action rhyme. All of you have to give me one example of an action rhyme.
Clap your hand. Listen to the music. There is action. This is action rhyme, ma'am.
Okay, lovely. Thank you, Ruchi. Finger
Five.
rhyme.
Ma'am, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Little finger, little finger.
Finger rhyme.
Okay. And sound rhymes? Apart from Baba Baba Black Sheep, which is written.
एक मोटा हाथी मैम, हिंदी rhyme.
Humpty Dumpty.
Cobbler meant by two.
Engine number 9.
Sound
Cobbler,
rhymes.
cobbler.
Teacher, don't.
I have an option.
Johnny
Yeah.
Johnny.
What is that,
Old
Ruchi?
McDonald's had a farm.
नहीं चिड़िया
Engine number 9.
एक मोटा हाथी मैम.
आई चिड़िया
Okay. Let me just give you a little hint. Say if it is about leaf and lollipop, lion and
It would be
leg.
sound rhyme.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so old McDonald's
farm.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Perfectly good.
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
So are we focusing here on a kind of a letter sound?
Yes. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. These are the letter song.
Okay. So, when we talk about sound rhymes, we have to understand two or three important things. Because the example which you said about E-I-E-I-O, which you said that somebody else also give another example. Wheel of the bus go round and round, round and round, right? So there are a lot of sounds that the children are hearing around them, right? Which we call awareness of the sound awareness. That what kinds of sound? Tuck, 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 quack, 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 ba, 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 right? If we do the animal songs or the bird songs with the children, they're trying to understand those sounds. That is awareness of the sounds. The rhyme which I gave to you, right? Slithery snake, right? That is specific to the sound, the letter sound. Okay? So, as teachers, we have to also be aware that when we are using a particular kind of rhyme, जब हम एक rhyme use करते हैं, वो rhyme हम किस पर्पस के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? देयर इज एक प्रोसीजर होता है राइम करने का, बट हमारा पर्पस जिसके बारे में हमेशा बात करते हैं कि हमारा गोल, हमारा पर्पस क्या है, दैट हैज टू बी आइडेंटिफाई. वो हमें पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना होगा, राइट? सो व्हाइल यू राइटली सेड that Baba Baba, Black Sheep, Old MacDonald, E-I-E-I-O, Bus and the Wheel are about the sound awareness. There we could also think about Snake in the Jungle. Snake in the Jungle. You do jolly phonics, right? So you have so many jolly phonic rhymes, right? Which are based on the letter sounds, specific letter sound association, phonemic awareness. तो हमें इस कैटेगरी में पर्टिकुलरली बहुत सोच समझ के बच्चों को राइम्स को इंट्रोड्यूस करना पड़ेगा. स्टोरी राइम्स, हम्टी डम्टी, इट्स टेलिंग यू अ स्टोरी.
Yes, ma'am.
एक कोई हिंदी की स्टोरी जो कि स्टोरी राइम है.
बारिश आई छम छम छम.
आलू के चालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे?
वेरी गुड. एनीथिंग एल्स? So what is happening in this, the story rhyme?
There's a short story types rhyme.
Yes, ma'am. हुआ प्यासा था घड़े में पानी थोड़ा.
Thirsty Crow.
It's a story, ma'am.
It's a story narrated in a kind of a rhyme. एक गुड़िया ने दाना बोया.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
also a rhyme, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Call and response rhymes. What are these kind of rhymes?
Mummy, Daddy, I love you, ma'am. Give me a kiss when I call you.
All
Mummy,
right.
Daddy.
So what is happening here? What is happening here?
Mother is calling children for loving mom.
Conversation is happening.
There's a conversation. It is not one-sided that you are giving a rhyme and the person is repeating. It is a kind of dialogue exchange that is happening, right? Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, open your mouth. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Open your mouth, right?
Ha ha ha. Yes, ma'am.
So in the same way, whenever there is a turn, who took the cookies from the cookies bar? Not me. Who? Not me. Is it you? Not me. So everybody is
Two
taking
little
a turn.
dicky birds.
Two little dicky birds flying on the thing would be more of a story rhyme because it's narrating a story.
Ma'am, there is a sound rhyme. It is
Sound
sound
rhyme,
rhyme.
ma'am. Sound
Sound
rhyme.
rhyme.
Sound
Right,
rhyme.
right. And can we call it also the number rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Or
Two.
then it will come in the count?
One. Yes, ma'am.
So the attention I'm trying to, जो मैं आपको करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, that you have to, whenever you are doing something, एक होता है राइम का फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल. राइम्स बच्चों को इसलिए लगती हैं बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन आर इन देयर प्री ऑपरेशनल स्टेज, जिसमें बच्चे रिपीटिशन अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि एक चीज को रिपीट कर करके वो अपने न्यूरोलॉजिकल न्यूरॉन्स पाथवेज बन रहे हैं, स्कीमास बन रहे हैं, पैटर्न्स बन रहे हैं. ओके, सो जब वो एक राइम को बार बार सुनते और करते हैं, उनके दिमाग में एक इमेजिन पिक्चर बनती है, राइट. बट द सेकेंड थिंग इज ऑल्सो दैट जब आप बच्चों से एक प्लान करके एक राइम करवाते हैं तो उसके डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और पर्पसेस हो सकते हैं जो हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं, राइट. सो वेदर यू आर गोइंग टू say a counting numeracy rhyme or you're going to say a sound rhyme in a literacy class, in a numeracy class, the list of those rhymes have to be different, right? Are you getting my point? आपको एज अ टीचर आपकी एक रेपोजिटरी होनी चाहिए जिसमें आपकी काउंटिंग राइम्स अलग होनी चाहिए, आपकी साउंड राइम्स की लिस्ट अलग होनी चाहिए, राइट. और वो हर एक स्टेज के हिसाब से डिवाइडेड होनी चाहिए. ओके, एज 3+, 4+, and 5+, द काइंड ऑफ काउंटिंग राइम्स एंड द साउंड राइम्स और द स्टोरी राइम्स यू डू विद चिल्ड्रन, वो अलग अलग लेवल ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी पे जानी चाहिए, राइट. मेक सेंस टीचर्स?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now let's do, it's time for some action because we're talking about rhyme, right? So you have to do some action. So here is a rhyme which is based on a repeated pattern. आपने ये rhyme सुनी हुई है? Brown bear, what do you see? So I would request all of you, this is a very famous author और आपने इसकी बहुत stories सुनी हुई हैं. The Hungry Caterpillar, the Mixed Up Chameleon, Eric Carle. मैं आपको request करूंगी, please note it down. एरिक कार्ल, अगर आप वैसे भी सर्च करेंगे आपको बहुत सारे, ही इज़ अ वेरी रिनाउंड ऑथर फॉर चिल्ड्रन बुक्स. आपको इनकी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज मिलेंगी. मैंने नीचे इनका नाम भी मार्क किया हुआ है इसमें. एरिक कार्ल इज़ अ वेरी रिनाउंड चिल्ड्रन ऑथर एंड अ स्टोरी टेलर. इनकी बुक्स इंगेजिंग ही नहीं होती हैं, बड़ी कॉन्सेप्ट ड्रिवन होती हैं, राइट. So this is a story which is again based on a repeated pattern. So it goes like this. Everybody ready? Ready with me?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
turn on your videos. Thank you, Lakshmi, Priyanka, Kuldeep. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, brown bear, what do you see? Everybody repeat after me.
Brown bear,
Brown bear,
What
what do you
do you
see?
see?
We have to sing in the rhythm. Let's do on my count. 1, 2, 3. Brown bear, what
What
do you
do
see?
you see?
I see a red bird, big and big.
I see a red bird,
big
and big and big.
Lovely. Now everybody mute yourself. Anita, you don't unmute. Anita, unmute yourself. Anita, repeat. I will ask you, you will give me the answer with the red bird. Okay? brown bear, what do you see? Anita, say. I see a
Brown
red.
bear.
No, you
Brown.
say, I see a red bird,
I see a red bird,
big and big.
big and big.
Very nice. Now, जिसको मैं अनम्यूट करने को बोलूंगी, मैं ब्राउन बेयर हूं, और उसको जो मैं बोलूंगी उसका नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर करना है, राइट? रेड बर्ड के बाद कौन सा कैरेक्टर है? चार्ट में देखिए।
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck.
Yellow duck. Very good. My good children. Very attentive children. Lovely. So I'm a bear now. Ready? The bear is coming. Ready, everyone? Okay. Brown bear, what do you see? Now you are the brown bear. Who's the brown bear? Who wants to become the brown bear? Raise your hand. Who wants to become the brown bear? More hands. Okay, Priyanka. Brown bear, what do you see?
Brown bear, what
No,
do you see?
Priyanka, you have become the brown bear. Now you tell me what you see.
Okay, ma'am.
I see a yellow duck, big and big.
Big. I see a yellow duck, big and big.
Lovely. Clap for Priyanka, everyone. Now, who wants to become a brown bear? Lakshmi, you want to become a brown bear?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
You will become a brown bear?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am the brown bear. I will make you the brown bear now. And then I'll ask you, what do you see? Then you tell me, what do you see after the yellow duck? Okay? Lakshmi,
Okay.
ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Brown bear, what do you see?
Brown bear, what do you see?
Tell me, Lakshmi, what do you see after the yellow duck?
Blue.
I see a blue horse, big and big.
I see a blue horse, big and big.
Lovely. Thank you so much. So, what were we doing this? Reflection time, teachers. What
We are
was this
repeating,
rhyme?
ma'am.
Ruchi, what did you say?
We are repeating, ma'am. There's a repetition.
Okay, there's a repetition. What else?
Repeating rhymes.
Did you just repeat a rhyme?
Ma'am, learning the animals and birds name.
Colors
Birds
and
name
birds.
recognition.
Okay, please put your hands up. Anita, what did you say?
Ma'am, animals name, birds names.
You
They are
recognize
learning
the
birds name,
animal.
animals.
Colors.
Yes, ma'am.
Different colors. Okay. Priyanka, Pratap,
Yes,
what did
ma'am.
you say?
Ma'am, comparison basically big and short, or maybe the sound. Say, bear, what do you say? I see a sheep.
Yellow duck.
Goes
I see a
ba.
yellow
So,
duck.
sounds and
Okay.
comparisons like big and short. So,
Okay. Were the children choosing? Were they getting a turn? Were they getting a choice?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
I asked you who wants to become a brown bear. Did I ask
Yes.
you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. They are getting choice.
Choice and
And
chance.
what did we say? They had a voice and choice. They had an agency. They had a voice and choice. All right. Shubhu, you wanted to say something? You had raised your hand.
No,
Shubhu
no, I
God?
said for the chance you were saying, no, so I said yes for that.
Yes, we got a
Also,
chance.
we can play this turn by turn also, so they learn to have patience to wait for their turn to come. We
Lovely.
can, yeah.
Anything else?
They
Anything
can
else?
recognize animals also.
Okay, animals. Now, from the content or the concepts that you are talking about, recognition of animals, recognition of shapes, recognition of sizes. I could have said yellow duck, small, 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 blue horse, big, big, big. I could have added adjectives, blue horse, gallop, gallop, gallop. I could have done it in 100 ways, isn't it, teachers?
Yes.
बट अगर मुझे इसको 3-4 तरह से अगर करवाना है तो सबसे पहले मुझे क्या प्लान करना पड़ेगा कि मुझे करवाना क्या है,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? कि मुझे फोकस करवाना है एक, कि मैं बच्चों को कुछ बोलती हूँ, बच्चे वहां पर देखते हैं, उस चार्ट पे देखते हैं, they had attention, because the moment I asked you, Ruchi, what do you see next to that? Priyanka, what did you see next to the horse? What is next to the yellow duck? Right? So Kuldeep is listening, Preeti is also alert, everybody knows मेरी chance आएगी. So there is attention. There is engagement. Now, let's come to my favorite topic, which I want my teachers to become experts in, areas of development. Which area of development? So let me just give you, shorten it. First area of development. So if we talk about cognitive development, what did you see? What was there? There were concepts, there was conceptual understanding,
Yes.
they were understanding the shape, sizes, right?
Yes.
Lovely. Let's come to the social emotional development. What did you find?
Teamwork, they are participating group
They all
as a
are
group.
waiting for their turn.
Yeah, so that is also taking responsibility, right? This is also about getting the space, taking initiative. Yes, ma'am, I want to. जब मैंने आप सबसे भी बोला तो आप सबने हाथ नहीं खड़ा किया, कुछ ही ने बोला कि नहीं, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ ब्राउन बेयर. तो जो बच्चे शाय हैं, हमें उनके बारे में पता चल रहा है, राइट? तो हम उनको क्या करेंगे? उनको इन्वॉल्व करेंगे, या अगर वो चुप बैठे हैं तो उनको चुप रहने देंगे?
We will try
Involve
to
करेंगे,
involve
ma'am.
them.
Involve.
इन्वॉल्व करेंगे.
इन्वॉल्व करेंगे या फोर्स करेंगे? टीचर्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट
नहीं,
फॉर अस
ma'am.
टू नो.
Involve. How to
नहीं
involve.
करेंगे, ma'am.
All right.
We won't force.
We won't force, we will involve them, right?
Yes,
When I
ma'am.
don't get a right answer from all of you, अभी आपने देखा मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम पे आपके लिए एक मॉडल किया था, एग्जाम्पल. आई एम द बेयर. अब मैं आपको बेयर बना रही हूँ, कुलदीप. तो मैंने बोला कुलदीप को, कुलदीप अब आप बेयर हो, ब्राउन बेयर, व्हाट डू यू सी? तो कुलदीप को ये नहीं बोलना था ब्राउन बेयर व्हाट डू यू सी, उसको वो कैरेक्टर ढूंढना था, राइट?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब मैं सेकंड टाइम पे भी आई तो प्रियंका ने भी फिर से यही बोला,
Yeah.
ब्राउन बेयर व्हाट डू यू सी. मैं थर्ड पे भी आई तो मैंने प्रियंका को करेक्ट किया. मैंने, प्रियंका यू आर द बेयर नाउ, सी इन द पिक्चर एंड चूज अ कैरेक्टर. जब मैं थर्ड टाइम तक आई तो फिर से गलती हुई, पर मैंने स्माइल किया. मैंने आप में से किसी को डांटा? यू आर सो डम,
No, ma'am.
so dumb children.
नो
You
मैम.
don't understand? You are the brown bear. Did I say like that? Did I correct?
No.
नो मैम.
I smiled.
No, ma'am.
Yes. And sometimes, very important, as teachers, मैं आपको बार बार ये बात बोलती हूँ, it is in our blood. It is, that is how we have been told that हम सब कुछ चीज को कंट्रोल करते हैं. And a good inquiry teacher is a teacher who loses control, who gives the control to children. Getting my point? Or the
Yes.
best time, the best play pedagogy happens through these rhymes. जब आप बच्चों को ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो कि वो इंट्रोवर्ट है, एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, बट एट द सेम टाइम आप उनके अंदर फर्दर कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं डाल रहे हो कि उनको ये एंजाइटी या टेंशन हो कि अगर अभी इसने मुझे कॉल आउट कर दिया और मुझे नेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर नहीं पता तो या ये मुझे डांटेगी या मेरा मजाक उड़ेगा. Because it is not about right and wrong. What is it about? Creating engagement, knowing your children, doing some concept but in a very very seamless manner, right? आप लोगों को हम 1 महीने से एरियाज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट पढ़ रहे हैं, राइट? बट जितनी बार भी मैं पूछती हूं, आप सब थोड़ा थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करते हैं, इजंट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट? तो हम क्या समझते हैं कि बच्चों के ऊपर क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा स्ट्रगल? बिकॉज आपके पास बहुत 100 चोर्स हैं टू अटेंड टू. यू आर रनिंग अ सेंटर, यू आर अ मदर, यू आर राइट नाउ ऑल्सो यू हैव चिल्ड्रन टू अटेंड टू. आप किसी को क्लास से पिक करने जा रहे हो. आपको नहीं लगता इट्स अ रॉन्ग जजमेंट ऑन माई साइड अगर मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि मुझे राइट आंसर अभी मिलना चाहिए? उसी तरह हम जब बच्चों के साथ करते हैं ना, बच्चों की जो स्टिमुलस होती है, इवन अब जब वो राइम कर रहे होते हैं, आपने देखा कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे देखते ही रहते हैं. देर इन वेरी ऑकवर्ड इमोशंस, पोजिशंस, एंड यू नो वी आर वेरी क्विक इन लेबलिंग देम. वी जस्ट लेबल देम. लिसन टू मी, आप सुन नहीं रहे हो मेरी, आप ठीक से करो. बट जैसे आपके घर में खाना बनाना है, ग्रोसरी नहीं है, बच्चे को पिक करना है, मैम सेशन कब खत्म करेंगी, आपका स्टिमुलस चल रहा है, उस बच्चे का भी, चाहे वो 3 साल का है या वो 4 साल का है, उसके ऊपर भी स्टिमुलस ऑपरेट करे. एनवायरमेंट में तो वो भी है ना, ही इज ऑल्सो अ इंडिविजुअल.
Yes, ma'am.
So, my request to you teachers is this: the first thumb rule of doing these kind of repetitive rhyme is to catch attention of the children, is to establish a bond. और फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट की अगर हम बात करें इस एरिया में, हम बच्चों का, हम इसे कहते हैं स्टिमुलस रिस्पॉन्स. बच्चा रिस्पॉन्स कैसे कर रहा है, हाउ इज ही रिस्पॉन्डिंग, आपका एक आउटकम होता है ना, डज ही रिस्पॉन्ड वेल टू द स्टोरीज, राइट? तो बच्चा स्टिमुलस को कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है, वो फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट है. जैसे मैंने बोला, अच्छा सारिका, वुड यू लाइक टू बिकम अ ब्राउन बेयर? बिकॉज मैं देख रही हूँ सारिका इतनी देर से कुछ सोच में है. तो सारिका says, yes ma'am, no ma'am, I tried to understand. Okay, somebody else. So all these rhymes at the end of the day are working at all the areas of development. But the most important thing is that you are developing a bond with your children. National Education Policy and National Curriculum Framework is very categorically saying that the thumb rule of the rhymes is not about correcting children. आप बच्चों को राइम्स में करेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज उससे उनके अंदर एक, सोचिए अगर मैं अभी आपको बोलूं, विजय देवी आपने बिल्कुल भी एक भी आंसर नहीं दिया आज की क्लास में, वुड यू लाइक इट? यू वोंट लाइक
No,
इट,
ma'am.
right? So, and I never know that even if her video is turned on or she's not responding, maybe she's processing everything, right? तो हमें और क्यूज ढूंढने पड़ेंगे देखने के लिए कि संयोगिता, जीनत, पूजा कैसे हम दूसरी चीजों को कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकती हैं. हो सकता है वो राइम में ना रिस्पॉन्ड करें, तो वो दूसरी टाइप ऑफ राइम में रिस्पॉन्ड करें, राइट?
Yes.
Vijay Devi is writing to me. Yes, ma'am, I'm listening to you. Thank you, Vijay. My goal is achieved for today. That you are listening to me. Thank you, Vijay. Really appreciate. So I'll come back. To our thumb rule of the rhymes. Just give me 1 minute. It's loading. Oh God. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the slide, teachers?
No, ma'am.
No,
Is
no,
it
ma'am.
still loading?
Yeah.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it still loading? Okay, just give me a moment, please.
Yes, loading.
Is still sharing loading? Okay, just give me a moment. Is it showing now, teachers?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. All right. Now let's look at another rhyme. Is it readable, teachers?
No, ma'am, no.
Font is very
Font
small.
is very, yeah. The font is very blurred actually. So I'll
Yeah.
read it for you, teachers. This is called
Okay.
another type of rhyme, which is called chain or circular story in a rhyme. So it says that there is a hole in my bucket. Dear Lisa, there's a hole in my bucket. Dear Lisa, a hole. And it goes on repeating. They mended dear Henry, mended dear Henry, then mended dear Henry. All right. So you've done this kind of rhymes. These are called chain or circular. The one we read about the brown bear was a repeated pattern type of rhyme. This is a kind of a rhyme where same dialogue is getting repeated. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2. What's a rhyme? 1,
1,
2.
2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut
3, 4, shut that door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks.
In the
7,
Seven.
8,
same way, there is a
Okay.
chain.
earlier
Then
there
other
was 10.
pattern.
Right. So the same sentence will keep repeating with different things, right?
Yes,
Now we
ma'am.
are coming to another type of rhyme. आपने सुना मैं आपको बार बार इसके बारे में बता रही हूँ कि हमने बच्चों को क्या देना है रियल वर्ड एक्सपोजर वी हैव टू गिव देम एक्सपोजर टू अदर कल्चर्स एज वेल और जो हमारी कल्चरली रिच स्टोरीज है आपको चेतना मैम ने उस दिन बताया पंचतंत्र हमें करना है जाटका टेल्स हमें करनी है उसी तरह हमें डिफरेंट कल्चर और कंट्रीज की फोक स्टोरीज फोकलोर्स को भी सुनना है और करना है आपने एक ग्रीक फोक स्टोरी है स्टोन सूप सुनी हुई है आप सबने
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके तो ये आज का आपका असाइनमेंट भी रहेगा आप सब जाके गूगल पे यूट्यूब पे सर्च करेंगे स्टोन सूप स्टोरी प्लीज लिख लीजिए इसे आप इस फोक स्टोरी को आप सुनेंगे इसके वीडियो को आपने इसके वीडियो को सुनना है राइट कल आके
Okay.
आप मुझे बताएंगे कि जैसे वो स्टोरी है पूरी बैकग्राउंड है मैं इतना टाइम नहीं है कि मैं आपको पूरी वो स्टोरी सुना सकूं इसलिए मैं उसका एक छोटा सा जो वो पूरी स्टोरी बच्चों को सुनाई दी जाती है उसके बाद एक राइम की जाती है उसी स्टोरी पे बेस उसके जो लर्निंग है उसकी जो मॉरल है उस स्टोरी पे बेस राइट आप कल मेरे को स्टोन सूप की स्टोरी और स्टोन सूप का ये जो सॉन्ग हम कर रहे हैं ये ड्रामेटाइज करके दिखाएंगे
Okay,
मेकिंग
ma'am.
सेंस टीचर्स
Yes, ma'am.
इजी पीजी लेमन स्क्वीजी और
Yes,
हार्ड
ma'am.
हार्ड वेरी हार्ड
Easy peasy. We will do, ma'am.
okay easy peasy lemon squeezy just let me know I'm just playing this are you able to hear it or not okay teachers
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Healthy music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Stone soup. Do you want to make a tasty, yummy pot of stone soup? Fill the pot with water. We'll work as a group. Put a stone in to get it bubbling hot. Make enough for everybody. We'll make a lot. Soup. Is it ready yet? No. What can we add to the stone soup? Sweet potato, no soup. Stir it up. Take stock. Serve it up. Is it ready yet? No. What can we add to the stone soup? Put a yellow onion, yellow onion.
Okay. Arpita Tiwari Kota, what would you like to add to a stone soup next? अभी क्या क्या गया उसके अंदर? Sweet potato, onion.
Turnip.
Water.
Arpita,
Turnip,
what would you
turnip.
like to add? Carrot?
Sweet no, ma'am.
Carrot or beetroot? What would you like to add?
Tomato.
Beetroot, ma'am.
Tomato. Priyanka Pratap, what would you like to
I'll add tomatoes, ma'am.
You'll add tomatoes to your soup. Is it ready yet?
No, ma'am, not yet.
So ask somebody else what would they like to add.
Okay.
Call out a name.
Ruchi Sharma Kota.
Ask her what would you like to add, Ruchi?
What would you like to add?
And green chili also.
Oh my
Green
God,
chili.
Ruchi. You're going to kill us with the green chili. Okay, now Ruchi, call out a name.
Garlic also, ma'am.
Ruchi, call out a name of other friend of yours and ask them what would they like to add.
Yes, ma'am. Anita Ashok.
Ma'am, cabbage, little cabbage.
Ah, lovely, healthy. Anita, now call out another friend and ask what would they like to add.
Priyanka
Kuldeep.
Pratap.
Okay. Is it my turn again?
Priyanka, no, I think Kuldeep wants to answer. Kuldeep, what would you like to
yes,
add?
ma'am, please.
Okay.
Thank you,
I
Priyanka.
would like to add a baby corn.
Oh, lovely, baby corn.
Yes,
So how many
ma'am.
vegetables we had? We had, count.
Sweet potato,
Potato. Onion.
cabbage,
Beetroot.
Beetroot. Tomato.
Cabbage,
Corn.
garlic, baby corn.
Ma'am, please kindly.
Remove
Green
the
chili too.
chilies.
Yes, ma'am.
green
Green
chili.
chili.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Ruchi. Because
Nine.
it's our stone soup, na Ruchi?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
everybody has to enjoy. So let's see what happens next. Everybody start it up. Open your videos and start it up.
Is it ready yet? No. What can we add to?
Oh, they put macaroni.
Yes, ma'am. Stir it up. Wow.
What can we add to the stone soup?
Salt and pepper.
Pepper and salt.
Is it ready yet?
It's very tasty.
The best.
Tasty, yummy, bubbly, bubble.
Let's
So
share
hot,
the
ma'am.
taste. Stone
hot
soup.
and
Everybody
tasty.
make a pot. Make a pot with your hand. Very good. Make a pot with your hand. Stir it. Take a scoop. Slurp it. And say yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Lovely. Did you enjoy the rhyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Children?
Yes, ma'am.
Tasty, ma'am, tasty and hot.
Tasty and hot soup. Why was it tasty? Because all of us made it together. So let's hug each other. Let's give us a virtual hug and clap for ourselves. We all did a good teamwork. Very good. Okay. So again, this is a folk song. It's a folk story, but it ended with a kind of a rhyme, teachers. Right? In the same way, your assignment, not today, but tomorrow, you all would have to make a list of at least 2-3 songs from the each category. There's more category to come, right? And you'll have to find out more folk songs or folk stories and rhymes which are based on those folk stories. ओके, या फिर एक फोकलोर्स। आप समझ रहे हैं मैं फोकलोर्स जब बोल रही हूँ क्या होते हैं? जो आपके लोक गीत होते हैं,
Yeah.
आपने सुने हैं ना? हर जगह का एक लोक गीत होता है, जैसे व्हाट इज दैट सॉन्ग, खम्मा गड़ी सॉन्ग इज ऑल्सो देयर ना, फ्रॉम राजस्थान। प्रियंका,
Yes,
आई एम
ma'am.
राइट? यू आर फ्रॉम
Yes, ma'am.
प्रतापनगर,
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
खम्मा
ma'am.
गड़ी।
Yes, it is. Yeah.
यस, सो इन द सेम वे, अगर आपका प्रियंका राजस्थान से कोई एक खम्मागड़ी सॉन्ग है, तो वी वुड लाइक टू हेयर दैट फ्रॉम यू। कैन टेक अ वीडियो एंड शेयर विद अस, प्रेजेंट टू अस। इफ somebody इज
Okay.
फ्रॉम गुजरात, कुलदीप जी अगर आप पंजाब से हैं, तो हमें पंजाबी एक आपका फोक सॉन्ग सुनना होगा, राइट? आर
With
वी ऑल
ac-
रेडी?
with action, ma'am.
You can either get a video to share with everyone, or you can do it and dramatize, but stone soup हम सब ने करना है कल,
Okay,
right?
ma'am.
Make
Okay.
sense?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So far, teachers, we have seen three samples. We have seen one sample where we saw that the physical development also about responding to the command and action. We also saw where there is a chain, one thing again and again repeated, in terms of a chain story or a chain rhyme. Third example which we saw was a folk story which ended with a kind of a rhyme with the moral. मतलब स्टोरी हमने पूरी पढ़ाई, पर राइम हमने इसलिए करवाई ताकि बच्चे को जो उस मॉरल ऑफ द फोक स्टोरी है वो उसके दिमाग में आए। और मॉरल ये था कि हम सब कुछ अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा अपने घर से लेके आ जाएंगे, तो हम एक अच्छा स्टोन सूप बना पाएंगे मिलकर, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to this. I will not take much of your time. Please give it a careful read. जैसे एक स्टोरी हमने अभी देखी थी, स्टोरी बेस्ड राइम्स हम बहुत करते हैं, राइट? आपने भी बोला एक कौवा प्यासा था, एक बुढ़िया ने दाना बोया, राइट? ट्रेडिशनल सॉन्ग्स बहुत होते हैं, दे कैन इवन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू राइम्स। देन व्हाट आर दे हेल्पिंग? मेमोरी एंड सीक्वेंसिंग, encouraging rhythm and phonological awareness, excellent for choral reading and actions। आप लोगों को मजा आया साथ में स्टोन सूप करके? there was
Yes, ma'am.
joy,
Yes, ma'am.
there was excitement। पर अगर हम राइम को हमेशा एक ही पैटर्न में करते रहेंगे, would it make sense?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right? So the first thumb rule is, which I told you, never correct the child and try to do it in different ways. Sometimes you do it with giving it to children, chance to children. Sometimes you pause in between and ask them to give their choice of item, or they can come in front and lead the action, like Priyanka called out a name of a friend, right? And then the chain went on. Okay? So these are some of the examples. You have all heard the story of gingerbread man. Run, run, run. Give me the dialogue. Give me the
Run,
phrase
run,
from the.
run. As fast as you can.
And what was the first one? Full one. Run, run, run as fast you can. Gingerbread man. Yes, that is gingerbread man. Priyanka, what I'm saying is run, run, run as fast you can, my little gingerbread man. Otherwise, somebody
Yes.
will come and gobble you up. Okay.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
The enormous turnip, every character is joining, right? Can we try to make a rhyme with enormous turnip? So, story and then a rhyme. So, सबने एक दादी आई, नानी आई, पड़ोसी आया, डॉग आया, सबने खींचा, पर क्या फिर भी टर्निप निकला? नहीं निकला, राइट? सो वी कैन क्रिएट अवर ओन राइम्स, okay? And of course you heard about the brown bear, what do you see? Now this is something that we talked about, the different types of rhymes, teachers। कंटिन्यूइंग कि हम राइम्स और किस किस ढंग से कर सकते हैं, वी आर नाउ कमिंग टू अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट जो हमने अभी सेंटर्स की बात करी थी और हमने रूटीन्स की बात करी थी. रिमेंबर जब हमने लास्ट सेशन आपने मेरे साथ भी किया था, तो हमने एक रूटीन की बात करी थी. एक सर्कल टाइम होना चाहिए, एक स्टोरी टाइम होना चाहिए, एक लिटरेसी टाइम है, एक न्यूमरेसी टाइम है, एक नेचर वॉक टाइम है आपके टाइम टेबल में, जिसको नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस दी गई है. और ये सारे जो रूटीन्स हैं ये एक आपके किस पे बेस्ड है? प्ले पे बेस्ड है और आपके एरियाज ऑफ डेवलपमेंट पे बेस्ड है. राइट? सो this is something very important for all of us to understand. Transition time. Priyanka, Pratap Nagar, can you please read for me what is on the my left on your right, which is in the
Sure, ma'am.
orange color?
Orange color, transition time rhymes. The first
Yeah,
one is morning greeting. Good
lovely.
morning, everyone. We are happy to see you. The day is begun.
Right. Now, can we all sing it together, teachers?
Good morning, everyone. We are
Only
happy
Ruchi
to
singing.
see
Good morning, everyone. We are
everyone.
happy
We are
to see
happy
you.
to
The
see
day
you. The
has
day
begun.
is begun.
Good
So,
morning,
when do
good
you use
morning,
this?
everyone.
Good morning
We are
time when we greet them.
Lovely. Do you have any of this morning greeting song in your school? Kuldeep, are you trying to say something?
good morning, everyone. We are happy to see you. The day began.
Very good. Any one of you have a morning greeting song for your school? No?
My God.
I will say something very important. Every time children, आपको पता है उनका attention span 20-25 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं होता. राइट? जो ट्रांजिशन टाइम्स होते हैं वो इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम्स होते हैं फॉर चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो टू चैनलाइज देयर एनर्जी. बिकॉज बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके इतना इनलोड इनटेक नहीं ले सकते हैं. राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दीज ट्रांजिशन टाइम्स हम राइम्स हम अपनी क्लास में करें टू सेट रूटीन्स. जैसे अगर हमें पता है कि ये हमारे बच्चे इस टाइम पर आए हैं तो उनको ये पता है कि अब उन्होंने सबसे पहले हमने वी आर गोइंग टू डू द राइम टाइम टुगेदर, और वी आर गोइंग टू डू द सर्कल टाइम टुगेदर, और वी आर गोइंग टू डू द कैलेंडर टाइम टुगेदर. सो दैट मीन्स we are going to come together and sing the hello song. So I will sing it for you and probably listen to me, right? Hello, hello, here I am. I will have a busy day. Toys to play and stories to listen. Floor to clean and books to keep. And then I will go away. Hello, hello, here I am. I will have a busy day. Does that make sense for a child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कि वो स्कूल में क्या क्या करेगा? Right? He will have toys to play, stories to listen, floor to clean, wind up his table, right? And what are you setting? The routine of the day, right? And then he'll say bye bye and go back. This helps the children to also get a kind of a thing that हम आज क्या करेंगे स्कूल में जाकर, right? जब उनको अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस नरेट करने होते हैं, आज आपने स्कूल में क्या किया, so आज तो through this song only the child tries to understand that हम ये करते हैं स्कूल में. Making sense? And in the morning when they come and you say hello to them, this kind of hello song, everybody feels good, right? Everybody gets a sense of belonging. and there is a routine. Now let's come to the cleanup time. Very famous rhyme. Bits of paper lying on the floor. Is it like this? Bits of paper, bits of
Bits
paper.
of paper
lying on
lying
the
on the
floor.
floor, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick
Pick
them
them
all,
up.
pick them all, and throw in a dustbin.
Throw them in a bin. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
So again, now when we talk about bits of paper, can we also do cleanup time of
Yes, ma'am.
wind up your table, wind up your table, put the brushes back, put the notebooks back, put the razors back. What will you put, Arpita, back? What will you put, Ruchi, back? Anita, what will you
My
help me putting
lunchbox.
back?
My lunchbox.
Very good. And probably a bottle. And probably
Yes, ma'am.
a bag. And probably, a red shoe. Somebody has taken off his shoe in anger, right? And we can laugh off at the situation and say, and introduce a new word, probably, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Happily, joyfully, sadly, right? So all this, you can just get it from the children and set a routine time. So you don't have to do it, and you don't have your helps to do it. Let the children do it. That's a routine. That's self-help. One of the biggest learning outcome, जब मैं आपको फाउंडेशन लिटरेसी एंड न्यूमरेसी और असेसमेंट्स के बारे में पढ़ाऊंगी और आपको पूरा जो नया करिकुलम बन के आया है हमारा एनसीएफ से मैं समझाऊंगी, then the first thing in your physical development is self management skills. बच्चे अपने आप को मैनेज करना सीखें. और वो फर्स्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या है? टू अंडरस्टैंड द रूटीन्स ऑफ द डे. हम सबसे पहले आके क्या करते हैं, कहाँ जाएंगे, मैं कौन से सेंटर पे क्या करता हूँ, उस सेंटर के बाद मैं क्लीन अप टाइम कैसे करता हूँ, राइट? क्या मैं रिस्पॉन्ड करता हूँ टीचर्स की इंस्ट्रक्शन. सो ऑल दीज राइम्स बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ असेसिंग ऑल दीज पैरामीटर्स, जो कि आप किसी वर्कशीट से या आप किसी आंसर से नहीं असेस कर सकते. Okay, you can only assess through action. Okay, now let's come to the quiet time. Soft as a feather, quiet as can be, listening ears just like me, right? And goodbye song. We are going home right now, home right now, home right now. We are going home right now, but we'll be back tomorrow. अब लेट्स ऐड इट इन हिंदी. अब हम घर को जाएंगे, जाएंगे, कल फिर वापस आएंगे, आएंगे, खूब मस्ती करेंगे और काम करेंगे. ओके? So you have to
Yes, ma'am.
also do it in English, you have to do it in Hindi, you have to do it in Punjabi or whatever is a local language. Make sense? And you can
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
it. I just made it. Right? We all can make. We are creative teachers.
May I try, ma'am?
Please go ahead, Ruchi. Try.
घंटी बज गई, मच गया शोर, बच्चे भागे घर की ओर, धक्का देते करते टाटा, मैम ने फिर सबको डांटा.
Ah, lovely.
Nice.
डांटने वाला बस मत बोलना.
In the end, I will like to add, so don't break the line.
Yeah. So again, Ruchi, lovely attempt, but again, teacher is controlling a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
My inquiry teacher will never control the children. We have to stop command and control. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what we are saying. We have to all come back from our approach where children take initiative. Children are not corrected. Right? आपने असल जिंदगी में देखा कभी लाइन में चलते हुए? कब चलते हैं हम लाइन में? जब हम बाहर बैंक में जाते हैं तब हमें लाइन में खड़ा होना पड़ता है, और उसको लाइन नहीं, उसको क्यू बोलते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? बाकी आगे आप आम जिंदगी में ऐसे हाथ लहराते लहराते हुए चलते हो डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ योर लाइफ में, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? When you love your husband, you walk hand in hand. When you hate your husband, you don't walk hand in hand, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
we are never walking in a line. Okay? So try to bring everything as close to what happens in the real life. And first thing, treat children as individuals. Just because they're children doesn't mean that we will control them. They are individuals in themselves. Okay? But Ruchi, very lovely. What a lovely. Let's give it to Ruchi. Good initiative.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great sense of initiative. Lovely. So, I think अब हमारा भी घर जाने का टाइम हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
अब हम घर को जाएंगे और कल फिर वापस आएंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we are coming. We are going back home right now, but we'll be back again tomorrow. Is that
Tomorrow.
right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So, and what will we do tomorrow when we are coming back? Pratibha, what are we doing tomorrow? Let me also check if Pratibha has been attentive in my session or not. No, Pratibha.
आएंगे भावना मैम से कुछ नया सीखेंगे सीखेंगे
Tomorrow we are going to prepare stone soup.
Lovely. Give it to Kuldeep. Very nice. We are all preparing stone soup. We are listening to the folk tale.
Yes,
It's a
ma'am.
Greek. It's a Greek fable, actually. Very interesting. You can do it with your children. Works out so well and beautifully. You can even make it your annual day presentation. You know, it's so beautiful. So listen to Stone Soup, the story, and dramatize. We can all take turns to do that. We will take just one or two. Okay. Second thing, we are all trying to make some transition songs ourselves. Is that what I told you?
No, ma'am.
No, I
No,
didn't
not the
tell you.
transition songs.
Oh,
I didn't
told-
talk about transition songs. Oh, you're so intelligent, students. Not teacher forget and then you want to cut your homework. All right, never mind. So we are only just going to do stone soup. कल हम stone soup करके आएंगे. Story. Any doubt so far? अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आया, any clarity, teachers? So Pratibha and Shweta tomorrow are actually assessing on honest this task. Right? So please, no, please, I remember now. Write it down. Stone soup dramatization, and I told you one folk story from your region.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Pratap, you have been forgetting a lot.
No, ma'am. No. I recall it now. Yes, you asked about a folklore or a story.
Yeah. So Shubhu God, where are you from? And Manda Gaike, आपकी भी अगर कोई फोक सॉन्ग या फोक स्टोरी है, शुभू आप कहाँ से हो?
Basically, I'm from Uttarakhand, but
Oh, lovely.
but from years I'm staying in Aurangabad. So
Lovely. What diversity we have here. Very multicultural. Manda Gaike, where are you from, beta?
छत्रपति संभाजीनगर.
So if you have a folk, आपके तो होगी मेरे ख्याल से जरूर. Folk stories, right? या folk songs. तो please लेके आना. हाँ? If you are not comfortable singing and doing it yourself, you can share a video with us also. Okay? Done, teachers. So I shall see you tomorrow. It was a pleasure and I hope you enjoyed the session.
Yes, ma'am.
And we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much, Pratibha, Shweta. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good evening.
Good
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
You too.